Hey guys, how you doing? It's Kevtech here bringing another video on information technology. Hope you're having a good day. Happy Sunday and happy New Year's Eve. Um, Today I want to discuss my goals for 2024, but I also want to recap 2023. Obviously, if you're new and trying to know what to do, rate, comment, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Greatly appreciate it. So I'm going to share my screen and I want to go over like my actual goals for 2024, and then I'm going to recap 2023. And then yeah, and then wrap it up after that. Should be super duper quick. It's gonna never be a long video. I hope not. So let me share my screen and we'll go over that real quick. All right. Give me a second. So into screen uno, screen one. All right. Um, so for 2023, obviously, the sad news for me is I put the little sad face over here. I was recently laid off like 3, 4 weeks ago, in my job. So what I've been doing for me, specifically for me, I've been keeping my head low and just studying the Google cybersecurity course. I'll put it here somewhere on my screen. I just completed the Google cybersecurity course like a few weeks ago. And then when you complete the Google cybersecurity course, they actually put you in a like an actual like I guess like getting yourself job ready. So what basically that means is you submit your resume, you submit your first name, your last name, um, and then after that you actually get the opportunity to make a video of yourself to sell yourself to a hiring manager or a job recruiter. So that's where basically what Google gives you access to that stuff when you're done with the whole Google cybersecurity course. On top of that, when you finish it, you get 30% off your Security Plus. So they actually give you a promo code that you could put when you buy the voucher for Security Plus. They give you an actual promo code, a discount, and then you could use that when you're buying the Security Plus voucher, which I did. I did purchase my Security Plus voucher. I have it with me. That's literally, if you see on my screen over here, that's literally like the first thing that I'm gonna. Give me a second. The first thing I'm gonna do is the Security Plus. It's literally that's something that it's on my list. And I wanna work on that. And I'm just annotating right here real quick. So just give me a second. So that is literally my goal for this year, is Security Plus. But before we do any of that information, let me go back to what I was saying before. Um, So yeah, so I got laid off, and then I'm studying my Google cybersecurity course, and I got the actual certification, and I confirmed it because you could confirm it on the web on your website, and that's basically what I did. The other thing that I did was kind of cool, which I didn't think I was gonna do. I actually joined conference events, a lot of conference events. So I went to Black Hat, I went to DEF CON, I met some people from like leadership, like cybersecurity leadership, people that I personally knew on LinkedIn, but not like knew in person. So I met uh Jay, John Springo, I met R O'Kane, I met some cybersecurity folks here and there. John, it was crazy. Like a lot of people that I didn't know I met. I didn't think I was gonna. I met James. So James is one of the guys that I train when we first started IT. I literally trained. I was one of his instructors. I trained him. Um, and now he works in more of an IT support cybersecurity job, which I'm proud of him. I'm super happy for him, stoked for him, because like he literally, like, I don't know if you guys watch any of my old videos. I did a mock interview with him, and he was super nervous, super shy, a little timid with the questions we were asking, but he did really well in the mock interviews. And I'll put like a small clip of that video here somewhere so you could see it. It was very, very interesting. I also had the opportunity to speak in some conference events. Like I spoke at B-Sides New York, and I talked about my journey in IT and how I broke from fast food into IT, into cybersecurity, and how I got into IT and I talked about my accomplishments, my successes, and my failures in IT, because obviously you cannot just talk about your success stories. You have to talk about your failures as well, because at the end of the day, no one's perfect, right? So we're gonna have failures in life, and we're gonna have to adjust and adapt to our failures, if that makes sense. So I spoke at B-Sides Chicago too, um, for Race to Cyber, and basically I spoke about my IT journey. Like I told everyone, listen, I'm not super smart. I'm not a genius. I'm not, I was never a plus student in in school, in college, in high school. I was not a good student. I was terrible at taking exams. I was not the, like super smart, like talking about like someone that just has a everything, and they know what they're doing. They actually are super duper technical smart, and they know everything about IT. Like I didn't know nothing about IT. I was a dishwasher, worked in restaurant, delivery boy, Chinese restaurant, retail, a lot of like fast food, hospitality jobs, a little bit of everything. And I also did 4 years volunteering in an NYPD. So like I don't have the same background as someone that has a computer science degree or someone that actually went to college and learned like, IT or learn about programming. I don't know any of that though, any of that stuff. I come from a non-traditional background. I went to college. I'm one of the first people in my family to go to college, but I ended up leaving that and ended up studying the A plus. So, everyone's background is different. So at the end of the day, that's what it is. And I shared my story with that as well as women in cybersecurity. Um, and then 2023 was a great opportunity for me to learn. So I did like try hack me rooms, learn more about cybersecurity because I didn't know anything about red team, blue team, GRC, cybersecurity analysts, a bunch of other stuff, which was really interesting for me because I'm not a cybersecurity person, like I said, and it was a good opportunity for me to learn. And then the other thing for me, specifically for me, it was an honor and a privilege to meet InfoSec Pat. I met Patrick Gorman. I met Professor Rogers. I met Kevtech. Some folks that knew me personally in DEF CON, they actually came up to me and shook my hand and, thanked me for having a YouTube channel and thanked me for being on social media. I actually met Zach Hill from IT Career Questions, Heath Adams. I met Joe Hudson as well. I met Josh Mason. I met a lot of people this year that I did not think I would meet this year. And I definitely plan on going to DEF CON. Definitely plan on going to Black Hat again. Hopefully, we'll see how everything goes. But yeah, I'm definitely planning on going on those things again. The other thing that I'm super excited about or happy about is I managed to get a job. Oh, and before I even say that, I also met Gerald from Simply Cyber. I got to put that picture here somewhere. I got to put all these pictures here somewhere. And then now we go back to this. All right, so I was excited because I became an instructor for a college. So I was one of the first instructors that was ever hired to create a curriculum for IT support. So I worked remotely for a college, and I'm basically going over their curriculum because they realized that the Google IT support course does not cover all the other stuff that I cover on my YouTube channel because I cover things that you need to actually know for a job. And the Google IT support course does cover a little bit of everything, but not in depth with what I cover. So I'm reevaluating their whole content. I am going to be making courses and videos for them next year for 2024. That's the plan for 2024. And I'm going to be an instructor with them till the end of to like mid next year, probably like June, July. We don't know yet, but because I'm on contract. So I'm on a needed to needed basis when they need me, when they don't need me. So basically that's how my contract works with them. So I've been doing a few hours a week. Right now we're on break because holiday season and everything. But when I come back, I'm gonna make some videos, some content, some training, teaching the students, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. That should be fun. For 2023 also, which I'm super proud about, is that we helped over 1,000 people land jobs in IT. I check this every week or every day on my Discord because someone's always landing a job here and there. So we do record these things, and I'm super proud of all the people that were able to land a job on my Discord, and super proud of all the people that were able to land a job working with Job Skillshare because I help people with. I'm a trainer for Job Skillshare as well, so we helped a couple people land jobs this year. So happy for them. Kudos to them for their hard work and dedication. So the next one for me is I managed to get 17,000 students on my Udemy course. And actually, my Udemy course is actually rated 4.6 out of 5. It's one of the best seller courses out there on Udemy, which I'm super proud of. And I've been giving out the coupon for free every month. Every month I get, so I'm not sure if you know this, but you get a $1,000 free coupon. And I give out the $1,000 free coupon every month when I get it because it's only good for like you only get access to $1,000 coupon 3 times. So I get $3,000 coupons, and I've been giving 3 of them out every month for free. So you don't got to pay anything. People pay for it because obviously they want to support me, but you don't got to pay for it. Literally, I've been giving out the $3,000 coupon for free every single month, and now we managed to get 17,000 students. We had like I think like 9,000 or something like that. It's crazy. I'm super happy about that. I do want to make another course. It may not be on Udemy, it may be somewhere else, but I'm gonna make an in-depth course with fundamentals on it and everything. Because this course that I have right now on Udemy does not cover that. So more like a beginner, like entry level person, because I specifically wrote on the Udemy course, you must know A plus, you must have a little bit of fundamentals, otherwise you're not gonna understand the course. So that's very important. Anyway, all right. So that's a lot. All right. So now let's go to 2024. So 2024, I want to work on my Security Plus. I'm not a really good test taker. I'm gonna let you know right now. I'm horrible at taking exams. So I'm gonna go over Security. I want to do Security Plus. I am using Ian Neal, and I'm gonna show you real quick. And I had people reach out to me to actually send me content. I'm gonna stop sharing for a second. I'll share again. So I'm using this book. So this is the Ian Neal 601 certification guy, but he also sent me a bunch of stuff to me because I'm friends with Ian. Ian Neal's the Security Plus book writer. He actually wrote a book for CompTIA A plus. I'm buddies with him, so they're gonna send me another book with A plus study material, and I'm gonna go over that because I want to make videos, and it's on my list over here. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna throw that book over there for a second. Sorry, Neil, I don't mean to throw the book. It's right there in my bed. All right, so I'm gonna share my screen one more time. Let's see, screen one. All right, back to this screen. All right, so I want to make a new course. So there's going to be a new course that's coming out real soon. So keep your eyes open for that. And that new course is going to have mentorship. It's going to have classroom environment where I'm actually teaching you in a group setting, like you're like in the school with 10 other people. And the course that I'm going to create is probably going to have a separate Discord. I'm deciding on that whether I'm going to make a separate Discord or not. So then you guys can help each other while you guys are trying to land the job in IT. So that's what I'm working on for this specific thing. This may be in Teachable, and I'll let you know. I'll give you updates as the month passes, if that makes sense. All right. I want to speak more on conference events. That's something that I've been wanting to do for a while. I spoke to 3 different conference events. I want to speak more conference events for 2024. I'm speaking for Boots to Books this upcoming year. I think in February. We're not sure yet. And I'm speaking for another company in Canada in March. So it's already booked. I have a PowerPoint presentation ready. I just gotta send it to them. And then the next thing I want to do is I want to get some sponsorship. So for 2024, I think I may have one sponsorship. I'm not sure yet. It's not confirmed, but I want to get more sponsorships for 2024. So I have 0 sponsorships on my channel. I also want to be more active on YouTube. So I've been uploading 1 video a week, and which is it's okay. It's subpar. I feel like I could do a lot better on YouTube. Also, my editing too. I could do a lot better with my editing. Well, we did hit 50,000 subscribers this year, so I'm super proud about that, and I thank you guys for that from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it. You guys are awesome. This is a question mark for me. I was thinking about making content creation on CompTIA A plus for free on YouTube, specifically for YouTube, because YouTube is free academy, right? So I want to make free content for CompTIA A plus so people can actually study and they don't have to pay for anything. So let me know what you guys think about that. If you guys want me to do that, let me know. I do want to make videos on A plus stuff because a lot of people have to buy books, pay for this, pay for that. Like if I could make videos on that and teach you that would be super awesome. And then the next one, security content, question mark. I may cover cybersecurity a little bit on my channel. I may not. I'm still thinking about that. I'm still debating about that. I did some videos on cybersecurity this year, but I'm still debating about that. And then the other thing for me is I want to hit 100,000 subscribers. I want to get the silver plaque button and put it over here behind me by my, just behind me to show that I have it. That'll be awesome if I'm able to get that. I think 100,000 subscribers is achievable if you put in the work, if you take the time to put in the work, make videos, and just be active on social media. I think that's something that I'm able to do. And then the last one is my health. I want to make sure that I try to work on my health a little, try to lose some weight, probably lose 10, 15 pounds. I did start getting into boxing a little bit, as you guys don't know, and I'll probably put a video here somewhere, but I started doing boxing a little bit, so which I'm super stoked about. And I'm gonna do more boxing, and I'm gonna start to run, and I'm gonna start to change my diet a little bit going into 2024 because I want to look a lot leaner and I want to look a lot skinnier and I want to be fit and I want to feel good with my body, if that makes sense. So simple as that. Anyway, I'm gonna stop sharing. Yeah, so those are all my goals for 2024. I know that's like a mouthful of information, but that's what I want to do. And I want to go, I want to cover A+ stuff. I want to do Security Plus content a little bit, maybe, maybe not. And I want to get my Security Plus for 2024. That's going to be one of my goals that I want to achieve. And you know, and just work on getting a job in IT as well. Obviously, that's important too. So those things are very important to me. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. Happy New Year's Eve. I hope you have a wonderful 2024. I wish you nothing but success, but the best. I pray that you remove that green banner. I pray that you find that job. I pray that you find that opportunity that you were looking for. I wish you nothing but success. You know me, I'm not nothing about negativity over here. I stay away from negative Nancy. Just simply as I am as a person. All right. Later, guys. I hope I was able to help you this year, or if not, maybe next year I'll help you. Hopefully, I'm able to help you all even more for the upcoming years. All right. Later, guys. Peace.